In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 web terminal. This is the browser-based version of MetaTrader 5, so you can trade without installing software. You just need a broker account, your login details, and a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. It supports Forex, indices, gold, and crypto CFDs. Start by opening the web terminal from your broker's website. Use the MT5 web trader link provided by your broker only, because each broker runs its own servers and pricing. Click Web Terminal and wait for the login screen. If you can't find your broker's server later, you're probably on the wrong link, so check the portal. On the login page, enter your MT5 account number as the login, type your password, and choose the exact server name your broker gave you. The server selection is critical. Even correct credentials won't work on the wrong server. Some brokers separate demo and live servers, so match your account type. When ready, click Sign In and let it load. Once inside, get comfortable with the layout. Market Watch shows prices. The chart window displays movement and is where you analyze trends. The Trade tab lists open positions and pending orders. The toolbox shows balance, history, and alerts. Drag a symbol onto a chart to load it and rearrange panels to suit your workflow. To place a trade, right-click a symbol in Market Watch and choose New Order. Set the volume, then add a stop loss and a take profit. Decide whether you expect price to rise or fall, then click Buy or Sell to submit. Watch the spread and ensure your lot size fits your risk plan. Small adjustments in volume can change your exposure significantly, so take a moment to confirm before placing the order. To manage trades, open the Trade tab to review positions. You can modify stop loss and take profit directly from there or close positions at any time with a click. For analysis, right-click the chart to add indicators like moving averages or RSI, draw trend lines, and change timeframes such as M1, M15, H1, or D1 to match your strategy. Keep your charts clean and consistent so signals are easier to read. Remember, the web terminal has limits versus desktop MT5. No expert advisors, limited automation, and some advanced tools missing. For algorithms or custom scripts, use the desktop app. For quick, secure access anywhere, the web version is ideal. Log in via your broker's link, learn the layout, place, and manage trades, and use charts to make informed decisions.